Is that matter where you call is your homeland? Even though there is an icy relationship between your homeland and the sun, would you still love it? In this episode, I will be trying to mirror a thought of Östersund locals' perspective. The world is big, exciting, and there are plenty to explore. But knowing you have a place to call your home city, it's worth so much. Coming back here after exploring other parts of the world makes you happy and safe. You don't have to live in the center of the action of big cities to feel the whole of the human being. We are still part of everything. It's very beautiful here in the summer, can also be nice in the winter. Here you breathe fresh and clean air. Here you can live and be who you are. You don't have to pretend to be someone else. Here you can live the life you want. Feel safe and grateful. If you are living right here on this small, insignificant corner of Mother Earth, you should be happy because you are still a part of everything. The people here are a little odd and sometimes a little cold before you get to know them. But they are extremely proud to be part of Jämtland. Jämtland for us is the same feeling you can feel for your motherland. We are more proud to be Jämtlanders than Swedish. This is a small and boring city, cannot be compared to all the cool places like Istanbul, New York, Los Angeles, Paris. A small corner of Mother Earth, an even smaller place in the universe. But this little place is still part of everything. Most of the people will never visit and they have never ever heard of this place. But it is still part of everything.